So I'm going to strap you in a torture chamber for about 3 hours after this, where you're going to be stretched and pulled. Okay, no. Okay, but one thing you can do, I need you to help me. In between the adjustments, you want to wear that trochanter support, okay, and go for a walk, move, do something. I'm going to give you the leg weight exercise, because you have to change the brain's view of the body, so you have to walk. Like even if you guys went up on the pool deck, that would be totally okay.
Which I couldn't hear.
All the adjustments are changing the brain. So we need to get her moving, symmetrical. Now we can have her sit on the bench here and swing the legs, but I'd rather her walk around on the pool. It'd be a hell of a lot better. I should have warned you too. The side effect of the adjustments are you're going to feel good. I know. Isn't that weird? The closer to normal we get you, the more your body works correctly. So I need your great chiropractor. Or whatever. Dad's freaking out because that's how we used to rip phone books in half. This side up right here. On your side, face me. Bend the top leg. I know, you don't control here. Don't mess around. I was raised with 3 older sisters. You don't think they yelled at me when I picked up their hair? Horrible. Aren't you going to ask what this is? I'm not going to tell you. Okay, that's totally cool. This is a sensor developed about 50 years ago. Now, the top of the neck surrounds everything. Anytime there's an injury, there's an energy coming out of that area. So what I do is I run my finger around this, and it's kind of like, have you ever had a crystal blast where you run your finger around and it starts to go like vibrate? That's what this is. Feel this. So this angle is this angle, this angle. So it tells me the right direction to move the top of the neck. That was kind of cool. You're really scared of this. There's no batteries or anything in it, darling. Yeah. I figure in the future, people will understand that the body is more energy than matter. But you're in the incredibly crazy part of the world where drugs and surgery are common.
Did that hurt?
No, I'm fine. Don't worry about me. Jeez. I do this all day. I'm not going to get hurt. Okay, here's the weird thing. Would it matter?
The hurting?
Yeah.
No, we need her fixed.
Okay. So why are you bringing up
No, I'm just
stuff?
I feel like the more she hurts, the better it gets for her.
And I like him. He does say stupid stuff, but doesn't he? Yeah, because I don't want you to implant anything in her brain. Okay. Does that restore her? Yes. Okay, words have power, brother. Yeah, I thought he was worried about me. Back to here. One more roll, you'll feel like a taquito. Who cares? Okay, you're right. I'll just leave it like that. I mean, to correct the sideways deviation, you're going to restore the normal. Hey, remember that it was super tender yesterday? I mean, you got a little bit of tenderness, but nothing like it was. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. That makes such a difference. And see, heads not turn early at all. I want you here just for a moment. It's a slight lift up. And then it's a signal. Way down. Keep your chin out. Right there. Now by holding you here, I wait for the sensors to communicate up to the brain. Then I can move. Thanks. Okay, so right, left, right. Gosh. People in acting. You are, aren't you? Yeah. I can tell the drama. I'm holding my breath. Yeah, more drama, okay? Yeah, because that way Dad will do anything. Just go like, oh. Yeah. You got a block exercise today, my dear. Did I give you the word block yesterday?